Some businesses hum along like a well-tuned engine. Every part works in sync. Others sputter and stall, tasks pile up, frustration mounts. What's the difference? Often, it's the clarity of their processes. A well-defined process is like a musical score. It guides each player, ensuring a harmonious outcome. Without this clarity, chaos reigns. Imagine a band where no one knows the song. Business process mapping brings that essential rhythm to your operations. BPM is simply creating a visual flowchart of a business process. It breaks down a process into individual steps. Each step is represented by a symbol. Arrows show the flow of work from start to finish. Think of it like a roadmap for your business operations. This visual representation makes it easy to understand complex procedures. It identifies bottlenecks, redundancies, and inefficiencies. With this knowledge, you can streamline operations for maximum productivity. Creating a business process map is straightforward. First, choose the process you want to map. It could be anything from order fulfillment to customer onboarding. Next, list each step in the process sequentially. Then, assign a symbol to each step. Common symbols include ovals for start and end points, rectangles for tasks, and diamonds for decisions. Finally, connect the symbols with arrows to show the flow of the process. Section 4. Reaping the rewards, the power of visualized processes. The benefits of BPM are numerous. Firstly, it brings clarity. Everyone understands their role and responsibilities. This reduces errors, delays, and miscommunication. Secondly, it increases efficiency. By identifying and eliminating bottlenecks, work flows smoothly. Thirdly, it improves team coordination. Everyone follows the same process, ensuring consistency and accountability. Finally, it facilitates continuous improvement. By regularly reviewing and updating your maps, you can adapt to changing needs and optimize performance. Section 5. BPM in action, from factory floor to office desk. BPM is incredibly versatile. Manufacturers use it to streamline production lines and reduce waste. Customer support teams use it to resolve queries quickly and efficiently. Sales teams use it to track leads and improve conversion rates. HR departments use it to streamline recruitment and onboarding processes. Even daily office tasks like processing invoices or scheduling meetings can be mapped and improved. Section 6. Unlocking efficiency, your journey starts now. Don't let inefficient processes stifle your business's potential. Take the first step towards operational excellence by embracing business process mapping. Start by identifying a process that could benefit from improvement. Then, gather your team and start mapping. You'll be amazed at the inefficiencies you uncover and the positive impact BPM can have on your business. Remember, a well-mapped process is the key to unlocking efficiency, productivity, and ultimately success.